How to compare two classes/types in Python? I have two classes defined in a module classes.py. And in another module I am getting the attributes of the module. Both type comparison are returning true, and that's not what I was expecting. How can I compare class types using Python's native type values?
Explanation. This is why your comparison doesn't work as expected. But why do class A and class B have the same type? Quoting the docs. By default, classes are constructed using type. The class body is executed in a new namespace and the class name is bound locally to the result of type name, bases, namespace. Example. Getting the type of class is exactly the same as getting the type of type class, which is type. Solutions. Compare them directly, w/out using the type function. Or initialize them and compare the types of their objects. For you can also use is in place of == for classes.
If you want to check if types are equal, then you should use is operator. Example, we can create next stupid metaclass. And then class based on it. In Python 2. In Python 3. Then a simple check. Returns false, while returns an expected true value. So as we can see, == operator on classes can be overloaded while there is no way, at least simple one, to change its operator's behavior.
You're comparing the type of the class object, which are all of type. If you just want to compare the classes, compare them directly.
In addition to the other answers, Python uses the concept of metaclasses, which are basically classes of classes. That means, even a class is an object in Python, which has its own class, accessible using the type in build function. Because class A and class B are by default instances of the same metaclass, the comparisons return true. If you'd like to know more about metaclasses, this SO post is a good start.
Woohoo!